During this video, we're going to look at filming with the 1200D. To insert the battery, open the battery door on the bottom. Rotate the mode dial and put the camera into filming mode. The power button is on the top next to the mode dial. Place your finger on the shutter button. The button has two steps. If you hold it down halfway, the focus point in the viewfinder will light up. In order to start filming, you need to press the camera icon on the rear of the camera. A red circle will appear in the viewfinder to indicate that you are filming. Don't forget to leave roll time before and after your shots. Once your filming is complete, you need to press the camera icon again to stop recording. If you're not happy with the focus or want to use the focus creatively, on the side of the lens is a manual focus switch. Switch it to MF and then turn the lens at the end like so. You can access the more advanced settings using the Q button. This can be handy if your images don't look accurate. The top icon is the autofocus mode. AF uses a focus point on the viewfinder, as can be seen here. AFL will focus on faces and AFQuick will enable a quick focus change. The second is the white balance settings. Look at the colours in your shot and check that they match what you are filming. If not, select the appropriate light source. The next icon down is to apply image effects, such as colour tones, followed by brightness and contrast controls. This can be used to improve the look of your footage by selectively adjusting areas of the image. This is followed by the recording quality. Make sure your format is 1920x24. This is followed by video snapshot, which enables you to take clips of a certain duration. Lastly is ISO, which enables us to control the exposure. To view your video files, press the play button below the multi-selector pad. Then use the multi-selector pad in order to select the appropriate action. In order to transfer your video files onto the PC, connect the USB cable to the camera. This is located on the left side of the camera under the cover. Navigate to My Computer, then click on Canon EOS 1200D. Here you will find your video footage.